Hi, yes. Welcome to Yoga with Srinivas Bangaru. Today, we are going to perform Virabhadrasana variations. There are several variations in Virabhadrasana. Primarily, we are going to learn about four Virabhadrasana variations. They are also called warrior poses. They basically help us to strengthen our legs and shoulders and will help us for improved performance of our spinal cord and also improves our confidence and concentration. So friends, shall we go to see how to perform those asanas of the yoga mat? Come on.
Let us start with Sukshma Vyayama. Move your legs front and back with inhalation and exhalation. Inhale front and exhale back. Keep your knee joints straight. Do with left leg. Now let us do the side stretching. Move your legs to the sideways. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Let us rotate our legs clockwise and anti-clockwise with inhalation and exhalation to make it flexible our hips to do Virabhadrasanas. Relax. Virabhadrasana variation 1. Keep your legs stretched. Turn your right leg foot to the right side. Bend at the knee. Should be in straight alignment with each other. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. Now slowly while inhaling, raise your hands. Turn your palms. Further raise up. Stretch up, adopt Namaskara Mudra. Look straight, your back straight, your left knee joint straight. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Observe your breaths. Now slowly while exhaling, down your hands and fold your knee joint. Turn to center. Repeat on the left side. Bend at your left knee joint. Your back knee joint straight, both legs in line with each other. Knee joint straight in line with your heel. Inhale, raise up your hands. Look straight, your elbows straight, back straight. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Observe your breaths. Now slowly down your hands, further down your hands and fold your knee joint, turn to the center, relax. Virabhadrasana variation 2. Turn your right leg foot to the right side, bend at the knee. Inhale, raise your hands. Look towards your right side. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Your back straight. Your left knee joint straight. And your both legs should be in straight line with each other. Knee joint in straight line with your heel. And slowly down your hands while exhaling. Unfold your knee joint, turn to the center. Now repeat the same on your left side. Turn your left foot to the left side, bend at the knee. Now slowly while inhaling, raise your hands. Look towards your left side. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Both foot should be completely on the ground. Your back straight. Your right knee joint straight. Exhale down your hands. Unfold your knee joint. Turn to the center. Relax. Virabhadrasana variation 3. Legs together. While inhaling, raise your hands up. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Slowly bend forward. While exhaling, simultaneously raise your right leg up. Knee joint straight. Body should be parallel to the ground. Take about 5 to 6 breaths in this position. Your left knee should be straight. Observe your posture. Slowly while exhaling, come back. Exhale, down your hands. Further down your hands. Now repeat the same with your left leg. Now inhale, raise your hands, turn your palms, further raise up, stretch up. Now slowly bend forward while raising your left leg up, knee joint straight, body to be parallel to the ground. Maintain this position for about 6 breaths. Observe your breaths. Now, slowly while exhaling, come back. Down your hands. Relax. The fourth and final variation of Virabhadrasana. Stretch your legs. Turn your right leg foot to the right side, bend at the knee. Now catch hold your left thigh with your left hand. Now slowly raise up your right hand, stretch up, bend back, look up. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Observe your breaths. Now slowly while exhaling, down your right hand. Unfold your knee joint, turn to the center. Repeat the same on the left side, bend at the knee. Catch hold your right thigh with your right hand, raise up your left hand while inhaling, bend back. Take about 5 to 6 breaths. Observe your breaths. The knee joint straight in line with your heel. Right knee joint straight. Observe your breaths in this position. Slowly while exhaling, down your left hand. Unfold your knee joint. Turn to the center and relax.